Miller, Light. Explosion of non-standard cylinder in Shah Town, Data Nagar area of Malia, due to the powerful explosion. 5 people were seriously injured. Among the injured, 42-year-old Akram, son of Muhammad Ramzan, 12-year-old Noor, son of Akram, 10-year-old Ikra, mother of Akram, 8-year-old Ayan, son of Akram, and Muntha, son of Akram, are being reported. The injured have been shifted to Al Khidmat Hospital for immediate medical care, according to preliminary information. The explosion took place at a gas refilling station.
मलीर के इलाका शाह टाउन दाता नगर में गैर मियारी के सिलेंडर का धमाका। जोरदार धमाके के बाइस 5 अफराद शदीद जख्मी, जबकि जख्मियों में 42 साला अकरम वल्द मोहम्मद रमजान, 12 साला नूर वल्द अकरम, 10 साला इकरा वालिदा अकरम, 8 साल